Hi, what's up, guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I am going to show you guys how to reset your home screen on your iPhone or your iPad. I'm going to show you guys on how to do this right now. So go to the settings, go to general, go ahead and scroll down till you see reset, and click on reset home screen layout, and click on reset home screen. And there you go, guys. The home screen is now reset, as you guys can see here. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if this video did help you guys out, please leave this video a like, a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and more gaming and more plush adventure time videos and more unboxings and reviews. And please rate, comment, and subscribe if you are new here. And please turn on the upload post notifications. And now this will be Alexander Bosko signing off. Bye, peace out.